Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn on dark mode on Roblox. All right, let's begin. First, if you're using the Roblox app on PC, open the app and click on the More option. From there, go into Settings. Once you're inside, look for the Device Preferences section and set the theme to dark. This will apply dark mode to the app. Keep in mind that this setting is device specific, so you'll need to repeat it on other devices, like mobile, if needed. Now, if you're using Roblox in a browser, go to the top right corner and click on the Settings icon. From the dropdown, select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look to the left side and choose Browser Preferences. In this section, you'll find the Theme option. Change it to dark to enable dark mode on your browser version of Roblox. Make sure your browser or device also supports dark themes, as this can affect how it appears. After applying the changes, the interface should switch to a darker layout, making it easier on the eyes. So that's basically how you can turn on dark mode on Roblox. That's it for this video. Thanks.